So good morning everyone. Today's class will discuss about what is meant by this TRUFFLE framework. So we'll learn what is TRUFFLE and how is it used in blockchain. What does it aid? So what's a TRUFFLE in blockchain? So actually this is a comprehensive development framework and it's a tool set for what? For building decentralized application. We call it as dApps. So if you want to build a decentralized application on an Ethereum blockchain, you need a framework and some tool set which will help you to really build that and then put it into a real-time use deployment. So basically it uses tools and libraries to simplify the whole development cycle from what till when, right from a smart, if you want to create a smart contract, you want to test it, you want to deploy it, and you want to manage some assets. Everything is possible using this TRUFFLE. So this TRUFFLE provides a very user-friendly environment for the developers, and in that environment it is possible where you can write some code, you can compile the code, you can deploy smart contracts very efficiently. So what does it include? So it includes Ganache, a personal blockchain for local testing, and the second one is called as Drizzle. It's a front-end library that simplifies dApp integration along with the other user interfaces. So this TRUFFLE suit, right, it has got a very nice feature, and it actually helps developers whatever idea they have in mind. For example, you want to develop an application for monitoring the energy usage, you want to develop an application for monitoring the student's course, maybe anything. This TRUFFLE suite helps to bring these ideas into reality by the features that are available in the framework. So developers can write their smart contracts in Solidity programming language, and this TRUFFLE's smart contract management capability will help in organizing and maintaining the contract within that particular project. Moreover, it has got an automated contract testing framework where developers can write and execute some tests. They can check whether that condition is working or the contract is working. And there's another feature, it's called as scriptable migration and deployment features. So if you want to deploy it across different networks, there's a possibility of implementing the choice using TRUFFLE. And it also facilitates network management, and it provides an interactive console for interaction with contracts. So these are some basic features. So we'll summarize it up. The first is smart contract management. So helps in simplifying smart contract. Automated contract testing. So there's a test suite available which will help you to identify and address whether that smart contract is working for that specified use case or not. The third one is scriptable migration and deployment. So across different networks it can be deployed. The fourth one is network management. So facilitating seamless switching between the networks during development and even during deployment. So what is possible? This TRUFFLE is allowing the developers to connect and configure different Ethereum networks. So that's about network management. The fifth one is interactive console, right? So where the console gives an option for the users to feed some commands, to look into some results. So there's a very important and nice feature, interactive console. The sixth one is contract compilation and deployment. So a streamlined process is there for compiling and deploying smart contracts. And finally the seventh one is this TRUFFLE helps to manage assets, projects, assets, contracts, libraries, configurations. So all that is possible with the help of TRUFFLE. So these are the basic features of TRUFFLE. How do you actually make it available in your system? The first one is installation of Ganache. So it's actually a personal blockchain for local testing. So why will you get it? You can just go to Ganache's website. You can download the best version that works in your operating system. and you can begin the installation process by starting the installer and following the on-screen prompts. The second one is install Node.js and Web3.js. So to install Node.js, just visit the website, download again the recommended version, and then once it's installed, open a command prompt and you verify the installation. Just type node-v and npm-v. That will help you to know whether it has been installed. The third one is to install Web3.js. So it's a JavaScript library for interacting with Ethereum. Again, go to the command prompt and just enter npm install Web3 to install this. The fourth important step is to install Truffle everywhere. You only have to given the command npm install -g Truffle, and this will install this as a global package, so making it accessible from any directory. So this is how the installation of Truffle could be completed. So whatever terms we've been using, you can see like it's basically a framework, okay, a Truffle framework. There's a web interfacing offered by Web3, browser tools, and then front end, and then here when it comes to the core contract code, you'll have to write it in Solidity. Unit testing can be performed by Chai or Mocha, okay, and then as I told you, on the top you have Ganache. So this is a framework of Truffle. So we just try to learn like how this Truffle framework plays a major role using Ganache for the local testing. Okay, so with all these elements, how could a dApp be created using Truffle? Thank you.